For the following, match each expression A through J in column 1 with its equivalent expression A through J in column 2. Choices may be used once, more than once, or not at all. Let's start with A. 7 raised to the negative 2 power is 1 over 7 squared, which is 1 over 49. Choosing from those answers in the second column, this would be C. For the second one, 7 raised to the 0 power, recall that anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So that would be selection A. For C, negative 7 raised to the 0 power, this is actually going to be equal to negative 7 raised to the 0 power, which is negative 1, and that would be selection D. For the next problem, negative 7 raised to the 0 power, once again, anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So once again, this would be selection A. For E, negative 7 squared, similar to C, this will be the opposite of whatever 7 squared is. That's 49. Negative 49 would be selection E. For F, 7 raised to the negative 1 power plus 2 raised to the negative 1 power would be equal to 1/7 plus 1/2. And when we write that as a equivalent fractions with common denominators, we have 2 over 14 plus 7 over 14, which is 9 over 14, and that would be F. For G, 7 plus 2 raised to the negative 1 is equal to 9 raised to the negative 1, which is 1/9, and that would be selection B. For H, 7 raised to the negative 1 over 2 raised to the negative 1 is actually 7/2 raised to the negative 1, which is equal to 2/7, and that would be selection G. I, 7 squared is 49, and that would be selection I. And then finally, negative 7 raised to the negative 2 power would be equal to 1 over negative 7 squared, which is 1 over 49, and that would be selection C.